Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to make rolling credits in DaVinci Resolve. Start by opening the titles panel, then drag the scroll title onto your timeline. After that, open inspector panel and paste your credit text into the text box. Now scroll through the text settings and adjust the font style and font size until it looks the way you want. Next, set the text alignment to the right and change the text anchor so the text stays positioned on the left side of the screen. Once that's done, duplicate that title clip and place the copied version above the original on the timeline. Open the duplicated clip and replace the existing text with the names for your cast. Then change the alignment for the second text block to the left and set the anchor to the right side of the screen. To create spacing between both columns, open the settings for the first title clip and set position X to -25. Then select the second title clip and change position X to 25. That will give you a clean gap between both sets of rolling credits. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.